You've been Googling things your entire life. You type a question, you get 10 blue links, you click through 4 of them, read half of each, and piece together an answer yourself. That's 10 minutes of work for every simple question. Perplexity AI does all of that and gives you one clean answer with sources. Let me show you how it works. Welcome back to AI Unlocked, where we cut through the noise and show you exactly what AI can do for you every single week. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
Perplexity AI is completely free. Just go to perplexity.ai and start asking questions. It searches the web in real time and gives you a summarized answer with clickable sources so you can verify everything it says. It reads live web pages and tells you exactly where it got the information. Let's start with the most obvious use case, research. I'm going to ask it something most people would Google. What are the best free AI tools for productivity in 2026? Look at what happens. It searches the web right now, reads multiple sources, and gives me a clean, summarized answer. Every single point has a source number I can click to verify. No ads, no clickbait headlines, no scrolling through 6 articles, just the answer. Compare that to Google. Same question on Google gives me sponsored results at the top, then SEO optimized blog posts all saying the same thing. Perplexity skips all of that. Use case 2, comparing things. This is where Perplexity absolutely destroys Google. Compare Notion versus Obsidian for personal productivity. Which one is better for beginners? Instead of opening 5 different review sites and reading each one, Perplexity reads them all and gives me a direct comparison. It even gives me a recommendation at the end. This used to take me 20 minutes. Now it takes 10 seconds. Use case 3, staying updated without drowning in news. What are the most important AI developments in the last 7 days? You can also change your AI model here. I'm going to choose Gemini this time. It searches recent articles, pulls the most relevant updates, and gives me a clean summary. No doom scrolling through Twitter, which is known as X nowadays. No 15-minute news videos. Just the key updates in 30 seconds. I use this every single morning. Now, here's the feature most people miss. Perplexity has a focus mode. Click the button and you can tell it to search only academic papers, only Reddit, only YouTube, or only specific websites. I'm going to choose academic on top to ask Perplexity to searches in academic articles based on my topic. What does recent research say about the effect of AI on productivity? Now it's only pulling from academic sources. If you're a student, a researcher, or just someone who wants credible information, this is incredibly powerful, all free. For example, you can ask, which of these tools has the best free to plan? It knows exactly what these tools means because it remembers the conversation. Google can't do this. Every Google search starts from 0. Perplexity builds on your previous questions. Last one. And this is the feature most people completely miss. Perplexity can connect directly to your apps. Click the plus icon in the search bar, then Connectors and Sources. You can connect Gmail, your calendar, Slack, and more. This feature is going to be free for the first year. Watch this. I'm going to ask to draft and send an email to remind Jason for the golf plan tomorrow. Let's see if it's sent. Perplexity AI is completely free, requires no account to start, and saves you hours every single week. The link is in the description below. Go try it right now with any question you've been meaning to Google. If this was useful, hit subscribe. I drop new AI tools every week and I never waste your time. Drop a comment below. What's the first thing you're going to search on Perplexity? I read every single comment.